Welcome back to Dude, We Can Build It. In this video, we'll show you how we installed a backsplash in the kitchen. If you like this kitchen, check out our previous video where we install the cabinets and countertops. Since this is a unique house, I chose a unique solution. We're using roofing metal for the backsplash. It has a smooth, ceramic-coated surface that is durable and easy to clean. The best part is this entire project is under $100. The distance between the countertop and the bottom of the cabinet is 17 inches. Our roofing metal supplier was able to cut the metal to the correct height. This is a big help because it reduces the amount of metal that I have to cut. Now I need to get a measurement and cut it at the correct length. Next, it's time to cut holes for the outlets and switches. I'm using a sheet metal nibbler to cut the holes. This is much easier than using shears for this part. Always test fit the piece and make adjustments as needed. I'm taping off around the edges in case some adhesive squishes out. I'm using heavy-duty liquid nails to glue the backsplash into place. Using a trowel helps evenly spread the adhesive onto the wall. Now, I will carefully set the metal into place and press it into the wall until it's smooth. I really enjoyed peeling off the protective film to see the final product. Now I can put the outlet and switch plates back on, which will also help hold the metal into place. I'm going to install a small piece of metal to cover the wall under the vent hood. Now, let's repeat the same process on the other side. Let's talk about some difficulties that came up and how we solved them. The first issue was figuring out what material to use. I wanted something inexpensive and easy to work with, but I also wanted it to be durable and look high-end. We considered tile, wallpaper, and decorative panels, but none of them met all the requirements. I finally decided to use roofing metal because it comes in a variety of colors, is cheap, and is durable. To make it look high-end, I decided to keep the metal flat instead of ribbed like on a roof, and attach it in a way that gives a seamless look. In addition to the outlets, I need to mark the location of the window and cut the hole for it. I will use sheet metal shears for these long straight cuts. The next obstacle was figuring out how to attach the metal to the wall. I really didn't want to use screws or other fasteners that would be exposed because I really want a sleek, modern look. So we decided to use adhesive instead. We tried different adhesives to see which would stick the best, and that's how we chose liquid nails. The install is super easy with just a few basic hand tools required. What's great is this entire project cost less than $100 and was completed in just a few hours. I removed the window trim before installing the backsplash to hide the cuts in the metal. I'm going to go ahead and finish painting the wall behind this area before I reinstall the trim. Now it's time to nail the window trim back into place. After the backsplash is in place, we sealed it to the countertops with silicone, that way water cannot get behind the cabinets. I chose black silicone to hide the gap between the countertop and the wall. The black silicone is not as forgiving as clear silicone, so I had to be very careful not to make a mess. Overall, this is a simple and affordable way to add a unique touch to your kitchen. In our following videos, we'll share a price breakdown of the entire build and a final walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.